Blogging on WordPress with Bluehost. Did you know that the New York Times bestselling author Mark Mason started as a blogger? Yes, that's right, he started the subtle art of not giving a fuck on his blog, from which he landed a multi-million-dollar book deal with HarperCollins. Do you want to be the next Manson in your niche, regardless of whatever you do? Now, what is blogging? Writing, photography, and other media that are self-published online are referred to as blogging. Similarly, self-published videos online are referred to as vlogging. Blogging began as a way for people to post diary-style entries, but has significantly been integrated into many businesses and websites. Frequent updates, informal language, and opportunities for readers to join and create a conversation are all hallmarks of blogging. By the time you've completely watched this video, you would have learnt the fundamentals of blogging and how to turn it into an income-generating instrument. The term blog is essentially a shortened version of the term weblog. Early internet users might use these weblogs to record the events of their day in a diary-style post. Because blogs frequently allow users to leave comments, communities have developed up around prominent blogs as they have become more popular. Many entrepreneurs realize the marketing possibilities of having a blog, as they did with other internet-based developments, and the adoption of blogging amongst the business sector helped to expand the medium's appeal. A blog can be used not only to market a business, but it can also be utilized to start an online business and generate income. How it works. Getting a website and publishing original content on it is all it takes to start blogging. Tech-savvy bloggers can purchase a domain name and develop their websites. Those who aren't familiar with HTML or web development can create an account on sites like WordPress, which makes the online creation and publishing process easier. How to make money from blogging. These are the best and easiest ways to make money as a blogger. 1. Use affiliated marketing on your blog. Affiliated marketing works by incorporating monitored affiliated links into your blog's content. Every time a reader clicks through to a site you promote and makes a purchase, you can earn a small commission. The links will take readers to a brand's website, and the money you'll get is a thank you for getting some of your nice readers there. For many bloggers, affiliated marketing is a natural fit. You're continually recommending products and services to your followers as a blogger. There are a lot of firms that provide affiliated programs, so finding relevant programs to join and start earning commission is rather simple. When it comes to affiliated marketing, the goal is to be honest and authentic. Write honest reviews and articles, and only advise your readers to purchase anything if you believe it is a decent product or service for them. 2. Add adverts to your blog. You can sell banner advertising space on your blog page to brands that relate to your visitors as a more visual means of advertising. Advertisements can be found in a variety of places, but they're most typically found at the top of blogger pages or in the sidebar. You have 2 options for earning money. CPC, cost per click, indicates you'll be paid a fixed amount for each reader who clicks on the ad, whereas CPM, cost per thousand, means you'll be paid a set amount for every 1,000 ad impressions. The CPC and CPM can be low due to the proliferation of ad blocker plugins, but this depends on your sector and there's no harm in trying them out. Creating a Google's AdSense account is the easy way to get started. 3. The charge for sponsored social media posts. You'll be incredibly appealing to brands if you have a great social media presence. Sponsored posts on social media are how some people get their whole blogging income. You'll have the option of charging per post reposts, and the fees might be quite expensive. You'll just have to work hard on growing your following first. Brands look at your social proof and track record, or how many people follow you on social media, as proof that readers would enjoy what you say about them as well. 4. Write guest blog posts for media outlets. If you're an expert on a certain subject, members of the press may approach you and ask you to make a brief appearance on their website. For example, if your blog's niche is budget cooking, a magazine might contact you and ask you to collaborate with their cooking magazine. Don't be afraid to pitch ideas to magazines if editors are unfamiliar with you. A simple email introduction is a terrific way to get your blog's name out there. 5. Sell digital products on your blog. Another alternative is to charge a fee for access to ebooks, video tutorials, courses, or workshops if you have skills or professional advice to provide. To make this option work, you must be able to demonstrate that you are an expert in your field or that your information has shown to be exceptionally beneficial. This isn't going to be easy. It might be tough to persuade online communities to pay up because many people believe that everything should be free on the internet. But it's worth a shot, right? 6. Sell your blog's newsletter space. It's also possible to charge a company for ad space or to mention in your weekly, monthly newsletter if you have one. It will take very little time to complete and you may be able to receive a good price for it. For brands to consider working with you on this, you'll need to build up a sizable mailing list. How to get started with blogging. When it comes to creating a blog, you have two options. You can utilize a free blogging platform, or you may build your website. We'll go over the advantages and disadvantages of each. Free blogging platforms, best for casual bloggers and individuals who don't want to make money from their blog. Pros. It's quite simple to set up and it's free. Cons. Limitations on customization and video image uploads, inability to add advertisements or use affiliated links, inability to build a custom URL, and the platform's right to terminate your blog. Many platforms will allow you to create a blog for free, and many are simple to use. This could be ideal if you're just starting and wish to blog lightly, but free blogging platforms can be very limiting. You'll only be able to customize to a limited extent, and your blog will have a storage limit, which could make it harder to upload large videos and images. Another disadvantage is that the platform branding will make your blog URL look like www.yourblog.wordpress.com. Most free blogging systems also don't let you include banner ads or affiliated links on your site, which are two of the most common ways for bloggers to make money. If you don't mind these drawbacks, here's a quick review of the finest free online blogging platforms. Best blogging sites. WordPress. This is a simple-to-use, free basic blog hosting service. Unless you pay a monthly charge, you'll have to put up with WordPress's ads and branding, and you won't be able to place ads on your site. There are very few customizations and expansion options. Blogger. Blogger, Google's free blog hosting service, is extremely easy to use. However, the customization and design possibilities are restricted, and there are few options for adding new features. Medium. Medium focuses on the writing rather than the design. Many journalists, writers, and experts utilize it, and it's a terrific option to share your work with a specific audience. You can't run any ads, and it's difficult to create your branding. Create your website. Best for serious bloggers that want to generate money with their blogs. Pros. Complete design and customization control, your personalized URL, and the freedom to use advertisements and affiliated links in any way you want. Cons. You'll have to pay for your domain name, URL, and hosting, although we have some suggestions for low-cost web hosting. If you're not very tech-savvy, the prospect of making your website may sound daunting, but it's actually quite simple and you can do so in under 20 minutes. With your website, you'll be able to build distinct personal branding with your URL, and you won't have to worry about the platform deleting your blog because you'll own it and have complete control. Take your time to choose a template or theme that suits both your personality and the topic of your blog. WordPress has an incredible amount of templates or themes to choose from. Choose a clean, straightforward design with plenty of room for large photographs and easy-to-read fonts. Sign up with our affiliated link in the description for posting your articles and getting traffic to your blog page. Can you make money from blogging, and how long will it take? The answer is yes, as we've discussed. However, the amount of money you may make through blogging varies. That's the nature of monetizing a blog at first, but with time, bloggers can make a lot of money. It's a long-term game that, according to our research, might take up to 6 months to start making something decent, but that depends totally on your efforts. It takes time to monetize a blog, and it requires that you have some visitors. The more your readership, the more appealing you are to advertising. Consider having many streams of revenue coming in from various sources and through various techniques if you want to make a respectable living from blogging. To master blogging as a money-making skill, we have something juicy for you. check out our second affiliated link to The Treasure Map of Blogging Success in Just 30 Days by 5 Savvy Panda. The link is also in the description. It costs $30 and it's quite cheap for the value you'd get in return. Basically, what we want you to do is sign up with the first link to get started with blogging on Bluehost and sign up with the second link to get this ebook as a guide to set up everything within 30 days. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, and turn on post notifications. Now, if you will excuse me, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.